When a group of liberal arts students embark on a university assignment about the natural environment, no one could have quite prepared them in their task. What starts out as an attempt to understand nature in the modern world turns into a philosophical and practical tangle. Can anyone save the day and actually start to value nature? Our characters explore lots of themes, including the different definitions of nature, human relations to nature, and ecosystem services. Valuing nature takes the reader on a whistle-stop tour of nature-based solutions around the world and shows how these ideas might be applied closer to home. Section Notes puts all the points into context. A glossary decodes any jargon, and critical thinking questions deepen reflection.